My name is Mark and I'm a Caterpillar engineer. So I'm an energy systems engineer and I work with consultants on a day-to-day basis, helping them design systems for their customers. Any technical questions that they have or design support that they need, I'm always a phone call away or a visit away from helping them on their designs. In the U.S. Navy, I was an electrical operator on an aircraft carrier. That taught me how the electric generation operates on a ship. Those skills and those control philosophies have carried over into this industry. My biggest challenge is keeping up with the technology changes and the standards changes across the industry that is changing the way our base products are being engineered. So I enjoy working for Caterpillar based on the relationships that we have with our customers, relationships built on trust, and they know that when they come to Caterpillar, they're buying a quality product that's going to be engineered right the first time.